This old potato peeler works perfectly, but just a few days ago it looked like this. Just a pile of rust with completely seized mechanisms. I couldn't leave it like that. Now comes the sandblasting stage. Little by little, the surface transforms. The part is cleanly broken, and the break is slightly open to ensure proper bonding. Sanding, smoothing, applying filler to bring back a clean, uniform shape as if the part had never been damaged. Then comes powder coating. Within seconds, the entire surface is covered in a thin, consistent layer. Under heat, the powder melts, flows, and turns into a solid, perfectly smooth coating. The old handle serves as a reference to create a new one. Beeswax is applied. It nourishes the wood and gives it that warm, natural tone. The other mechanical parts undergo the same treatment as the rest of the metal components: sandblasting, brushing, and finally powder coating. A stainless steel disc is first cut. Then comes drilling. Using a vise, the metal is pierced again and again. And through these repeated impacts, the disc takes on the look of a true grater. The work took hours, but it was worth it. Time for reassembly. Each part finds its place again. Et voila! The rust is gone, the surfaces are uniform, and the mechanisms are alive again. Time for the test. The potatoes are placed onto the holder. The movement starts slowly, then becomes steady. In just a few seconds, the potato is perfectly peeled, as if the machine had always worked this way. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe so you don't miss the next restorations.